What's up, guys, and welcome back to another Kamryn Walks video. Today we are at Garden of the Gods here in Colorado Springs. I just went inside the visitor center, checked it out a little bit, picked up some postcards, and now me and Mia are about to go hike and enjoy the park. And yeah, so come on, let's go check out the Garden of the Gods. It looks pretty cool from the road. I don't know what more it adds as we hike, but yeah, let's go see. Alright, there's the garden of the gods from afar. We're going back into the visitor center because Mia needs to pee. Alright, we at the main entrance. Garden of the Gods is home to dinosaurs and all kinds of species. Mickey. Dinosaur. There's a mountain in Texas. Where are the teeth located? I don't see teeth. Oh, I see those little two teeth right there. There's his teeth. These are where all the dinosaurs in Colorado have been found. We gotta go to Dinosaur National Monument, I guess. There's one here in
No, it's correct. I already got it. What was it?
Poop. No, I doubt it.
It's kind of weird, right?
That would be weird. Look, buffalo skin. Never been able to pet a buffalo till now. Wow, their skeletons look so different than like them. We're right over here.
Yeah, but it is. Okay. That's entrance. Oh yes, you got him.
Motorcycle man, oh motorcycle man. So pretty. But I will say, like, what makes something so much more like...
Yeah, that's what I
like
don't
San Lorenzo
understand.
Canyons are fucking beautiful.
Right. Right, yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Well, like, I just see everyone here, people paying money to watch, like a little movie about how it was formed.
Yeah.
And I'm like, well, I feel like I've seen better than this.
I don't know, this is pretty badass, but...
No, it's fucking cool, yeah, but I don't know. I guess I'm just not, I don't think it's more beautiful than, like, San Lorenzo Canyon, for example.
Yeah, that shit was cool. And you could, like, drive in it.
I don't know. I don't really know what makes some rock formations more important than others.
Yeah. Because some scientist told us so. Holy shit! It's packed. But that is cool looking. Garden of the Gods! Sounds like a metal band name. Garden of the Gods. Took us a second to find the trailhead, like always, at like every place we ever go to almost.
Okay, wait.
Is this not it?
I mean, we're on it now, I think, but I think we missed.
It's fine. Let's just stay what we're on.
Yep.
No, it's okay. You're not in the frame.
Okay. It's so hard to get a shot when
Yeah.
there's nobody in the way.
Yeah.
We're just gonna go straight. We don't cross the.
Well, honestly, it was really packed that day, so I wasn't able to do a lot of commentary behind the camera in real time while recording this. So I'm just going to run back the clips of our hikes and the formations that we saw of these rocks and just basically what we saw that day and throw a track over it, a music track. And yeah, y'all check it out. Let me know if y'all like what I got, what we saw here at Garden of the Gods. Let me know if you've ever been to Garden of the Gods down in the comments, or if you plan to go after seeing this video and you end up going. Let me know in the future after you went, and let me know how you liked it. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, it was a really good experience. If you're going through Colorado, definitely worth the pit stop to go check it out. It started raining on us actually, but that was fine. We got out of there and seen everything that we wanted to see, so the rain didn't hinder us too much. But yeah, let's check out what we saw and listen to some tunes.
This is a cool tree. Dead tree. Another cool one.
After we went to the Garden of the Gods, we went to the nearest dispensary right outside of the Garden of the Gods. I went in and got a couple goodies and then came out and I saw this deer standing in the flower bed of the dispensary. So that was pretty cute and cool. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed our little walk through Garden of the Gods. I will see y'all in the next video. In the meantime, subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see y'all then.